Within walking distance to the lake, local shops, restaurants, and Bell Park open space, 27620 Fern Gulch Road is the perfect home base for anyone looking to live right in the heart of Evergreen, Colorado. Nestled among the gorgeous tall ponderosas, this spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on just over an acre with its 2 lots, offering a sanctuary for the next homeowner to enjoy. The large, charming brick entrance welcomes you home each day, reminding you to relax and stay a while. Hi, I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips team at Keller Williams Foothills Realty, and I'd like to introduce you to the hottest property on the market today. Let me take you on a personal tour. Let's go! Upon entering, the welcoming living room and office space are perfect for working at home or snuggling up around the wood stove and watching the snow fall over the mountains. The open, bright kitchen effortlessly flows into the expansive main living and dining areas, which feature vaulted ceilings and plenty of natural light. Gather around the gas fireplace in the main living room as you gaze upon the gorgeous mountain views through the large wall of windows. The living area flows into the dining area, making the space perfect for entertaining your friends and family. From the main living room, step outside to the expansive TREX deck, sure to be your favorite place to watch the sun rise and set on those long summer cool days. There is a 10 by 20 barn-style shed with a loft, lots of built-in storage, and a workbench just for your next project. And talk about amenities. Sitting on city water and offering Xfinity Wi-Fi, you get the benefits of easy mountain living. Nestled among the gorgeous tall ponderosas, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath is the perfect home base for the adventurer looking for easy access to all what the Rocky Mountains have to offer. To find out how you can be sitting on this deck and enjoying your morning coffee, reach out to us at phillipsteamco.com.